Hello and welcome to Options-Quant University. This short series will teach you everything you need to know about getting started with the Options-Quant platform. In this video, we'll demonstrate using Options-Quant to price an American option. Let's dive right in. From the Model menu, head over to American Options and select AmericanBAW. This is the Barone Adesi-Whaley model for pricing American options. This model is regarded as one of the most efficient and accurate pricing models, primarily because it effectively prices in the risk of an early exercise. Now that we have our model selected, we need to enter the parameters of the underlying stock that we will be modeling the option on. The price parameter represents the spot price of the underlying asset. So in this case, we are modeling options on a stock that currently trades for $100. Time to expiration. The time to expiration parameter represents the days to expiration of the contract in decimal form. This field is linked with the days to expiration and expiration date fields. The easiest way to customize this value is to use the calendar feature, which will update the fields automatically. Let's change the expiration by 1 day. Interest rate. The interest rate parameter represents the risk-free rate for a treasury bill with a maturity closest to your option's expiration. In this example, we are pricing an option expiring in about 90 days, so we will want the 3-month T-bill rate. We use 0.05 to represent 5% in decimal form. You can find the most up-to-date rates from treasury.gov, CNBC, Bloomberg, or any other financial outlet. CND. The CND parameter stands for Cumulative Normal Distribution. For the majority of users, it is best to keep the default value. Standard deviation. The standard deviation parameter represents the implied volatility of the option. In this case, the implied volatility of the option is 25%. We have a separate video dedicated to calculating your own implied volatility, but for simplicity, it's fine to use the implied volatility provided by a brokerage. Precision. The precision parameter represents how many extra decimal places will show for the calculated prices. By changing this value, we get variations in just the granularity of prices as demonstrated. B. The B parameter represents the dividend yield of the stock. This follows the same rule as the interest rate parameter in that you enter the yield in decimal form. So a stock yielding 5% will be entered as 0.05. Once you've entered all of your parameters, you will see the calculated put and call prices, as well as the different strikes. If you head over to the strikes menu, you can choose the different increments of the strike prices. By changing this value to 1, you can see the prices for dollar increment strikes. If you want to see the prices that are further out of the money, select the strike adjuster and move the toggle in the direction you want prices for. In this video, we covered how you can accurately price an American option with Options-Quant using the Barone Adesi-Whaley model. In the next video, we'll be going over how you can easily calculate your own implied volatility that can be used as the basis of a trading edge. Thank you for watching this Options-Quant University lesson, and we'll see you in the next.